Hey everyone, welcome. Let's dive into woodworking tips that will save you time. First, always sharpen your tools. A sharp tool is safer and more efficient. Believe it or not, sharp tools also reduce the risk of accidents. Think of it as investing in your safety and the quality of your work. Regular sharpening will make a huge difference in your projects. So, keep those tools sharp and happy woodworking. Next up, wood selection. Choosing the right wood matters a lot. Different woods have different properties. Consider your project's needs. Hardwoods like oak are great for furniture, softwoods like pine for simpler projects. Consider the grain pattern, color, and density of the wood you choose. The right wood can elevate your project from good to stunning. So take your time, choose wisely, and let the wood speak for itself. Third, master the art of clamping. Clamps are your best friends. Proper clamping ensures tight joints and prevents shifting during glue-up. Use various types of clamps: bar clamps, pipe clamps, and hand screws. Distribute pressure evenly to avoid warping or uneven glue lines. Clamping is not just about force, it's about finesse and control. Master clamping, and you'll master the art of woodworking. Fourth, learn about finishing. The finish can make or break a project. Consider the type of finish: oil, varnish, lacquer, or water-based. Each offers different protection, sheen, and application methods. Always prepare the surface properly before applying any finish. Multiple thin coats are better than one thick, uneven one. Finishing is the final touch that brings your project to life.